Lift stations can be difficult to maintain. Odors can spread throughout a facility and cause disgusted customers or even loss of revenue. Keep watching this video for the most common questions maintenance managers have about lift stations. Here at State, we have been providing chemical solutions for businesses in different industries for over 100 years. We know that lift stations can have incredibly foul-smelling buildup that will ruin the impression of visitors to your facility, whether it's an apartment building, hospital, hotel, or something else. Today, I'll answer 5 of the most common questions about lift station maintenance. Let's jump right in with, how can I control odors? Foul odors wafting throughout a facility is bad for business, so you'll want to invest in a strong solution that will keep odors sealed within a lift station. You can do this with a floating deodorizer that will cap off your lift station by floating on the surface. This will prevent odors from escaping from the lift station and replace the bad smell with a pleasant scent, such as mint or cherry. You'll have to reapply this floating layer every so often, depending on the flow or buildup in your lift station. How do I control fats, oils, and greases? Lift stations suffer from extreme buildup of fats, oils, and grease, commonly known as fogs, and a multitude of very expensive problems can occur when fogs start clogging up important lift station functions. To combat this, you'll need a strong solution that is the best fit for your specific problem. If you need to keep odors capped as well, check out a floating deodorizer that contains a degreaser. A floating deodorizer that degreases will dissolve fog buildup that occurs on the walls of a lift station and work its way up and down the walls as the water level in your lift station rises and falls. If your lift station is suffering from more extreme fog buildup, you might want to look into a bacterial solution with enzymes that will help to break down fogs. A bacterial solution will digest fogs and grease caps and keep them from building up and causing you problems in the future. Why do I need to treat my lift station? In addition to the problems I noted earlier, like odors wafting throughout the rest of the building or slow drains from buildup of fogs, your costs could skyrocket if you are frequently dealing with slow-moving pipes or broken lift station pumps. Frequent pump outs are incredibly expensive, and lift station maintenance helps to significantly space out the time between pump outs. How do I know how much product to apply? To determine which and how much product to apply in your specific situation, your local representative will visit your facility and recommend the right amount of the right product to match the flow and buildup in your lift station. If you're on an agreement and depending on the setup of your facility, we can utilize one of our systems to automatically dispense product over time, so you can spend your limited time on more important things. How much does a lift station program cost? Typically, a lift station program with State Chemical may cost around this amount, but it can vary heavily depending on what specific problems must be addressed. Now that you've heard the answers to questions we are frequently asked about lift station programs, visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get into touch with State Chemical and start on the path towards free-flowing and low-odor lift stations.